Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of skincare because listen, having a solid skincare routine is seriously the foundation for healthy, glowing skin. But here's the thing, everyone's skin is unique. That means what works wonders for your bestie might not be the best fit for you. That's why it's so crucial to understand your skin type and curate a routine that caters to its specific needs. So in this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about skincare for different skin types. Get ready to unlock your best skin yet. Alright, before we jump into product recommendations, we need to lay down the groundwork. Understanding your skin type is like knowing your skin's love language. It's all about figuring out what your skin craves and what it absolutely hates. Trust me, this step is crucial for building an effective skincare routine that actually delivers results. Think of it this way. If you have oily skin and you're constantly piling on heavy, occlusive products, you're basically asking for breakouts. Or if you have dry skin and you're using harsh, stripping cleansers, you're going to end up with even drier, more irritated skin. So, how do you determine your skin type? Well, there are a few key characteristics to look out for. Let's break it down. First up, we have oily skin. This skin type tends to produce excess sebum, which is basically the natural oil that our skin produces. If your skin constantly feels slick or greasy, especially in the T-zone, that's your forehead, nose, and chin, you likely have oily skin. You might also notice that your pores are a bit larger and you're prone to breakouts. Next, we have dry skin. This skin type doesn't produce enough sebum, which can leave it feeling tight, flaky, and rough. If your skin feels parched and you notice fine lines more easily, you're probably dealing with dry skin. Now, let's talk about combination skin. This one's a bit tricky because, as the name suggests, it's a combination of both oily and dry areas. Typically, people with combination skin experience oiliness in the T-zone and dryness on the cheeks. And last but not least, we have sensitive skin. This skin type is easily irritated by, well, pretty much everything. If your skin tends to react negatively to fragrances, certain ingredients, or even changes in weather, you might have sensitive skin. Okay, my oily skin friends, this one's for you. I know that excess oil can be a real pain, but don't worry, I've got you covered. With the right skincare routine, you can balance your skin's oil production and achieve that coveted matte finish. First things first, let's talk about cleansers. When it comes to oily skin, it's all about finding a cleanser that effectively removes excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin of its essential moisture. Look for cleansers that are labeled oil-free or non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog your pores. And here's a pro tip, don't be afraid to double cleanse. This involves using an oil-based cleanser first to break down makeup and sebum, followed by a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining residue. Trust me, your skin will feel so clean and refreshed. Now, let's move on to exfoliation. This step is crucial for oily skin because it helps to slop away dead skin cells that can contribute to clogged pores and breakouts. Look for exfoliants that contain ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid, which are known for their oil-controlling properties. But remember, guys, don't go overboard with the exfoliation. Once or twice a week is usually enough to keep your skin clear and radiant. Over-exfoliating can actually irritate your skin and lead to more oil production. Moisturizer is another must-have, even for oily skin. I know it seems counterintuitive to add moisture to already oily skin, but hear me out. When your skin is dehydrated, it actually produces more oil to compensate. So, by using a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, you can keep your skin hydrated and balanced. And speaking of hydration, let's not forget about the importance of drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your skin looking plump and healthy. Now, let's talk about some ingredients that are particularly beneficial for oily skin. Niacinamide is a true skincare superhero for oily skin types. It helps to regulate oil production, minimize the appearance of pores, and even out skin tones. Look for serums or moisturizers that contain this powerhouse ingredient. Another ingredient to keep an eye out for is retinol. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A that works wonders for acne-prone skin. It helps to unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and prevent future breakouts. Alright, my dry skin peeps, let's talk about how to quench your skin's thirst and achieve that dewy, hydrated glow. Dry skin can be tricky, but with the right products and techniques, you can restore your skin's moisture barrier. Hydration is key, and I'm not just talking about drinking water. Use products specifically formulated to hydrate and nourish dry skin. Opt for gentle, creamy cleansers that won't disrupt your skin's moisture barrier. Look for cleansers labeled hydrating, moisturizing, or cream to foam. You don't need to wash your face twice a day if you have dry skin. Overwashing can strip your skin of its natural oils. Cleanse once a day, preferably at night, and rinse with water in the morning. Now let's talk about moisturizers. Look for rich, creamy moisturizers with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and shea butter. These ingredients help attract and retain moisture, leaving your skin soft and hydrated. Combination skin, the ultimate balancing act. 1 minute you're battling shine, the next you're dealing with dry patches. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. But don't worry, my combination skin comrades. I'm here to help you navigate the world of skincare and find products that cater to your skin's unique needs. The key to managing combination skin is all about balance. You want to control oil production in your T-zone, that's your forehead, nose, and chin, while still providing adequate hydration to your drier areas, like your cheeks. One approach is to use different products for different areas of your face. This is known as multi-masking, and it's a great way to target specific concerns. For example, you could use a clay mask on your T-zone to absorb excess oil and a hydrating mask on your cheeks to boost moisture. Another option is to find products that are specifically formulated for combination skin. These products are designed to balance oil production and hydration levels, so you don't have to worry about over-drying or over-hydrating any areas of your face. When it comes to cleansers, look for gentle, pH-balanced formulas that effectively remove impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Avoid harsh, soap-based cleansers, as these can disrupt your skin's delicate pH balance and lead to more oil production in your T-zone. For your T-zone, you may want to consider using a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer or serum. Look for products that contain ingredients like niacinamide or salicylic acid, which can help to control oil production and minimize the appearance of pores. For your drier areas, opt for a richer, more hydrating moisturizer. Look for products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or shea butter. Okay, my sensitive skin souls, this one's for you. I know how frustrating it can be to have skin that reacts to, well, pretty much everything. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the world of skincare and find products that soothe, calm, and protect your delicate skin. The key to managing sensitive skin is all about being gentle, using fragrance-free products, and avoiding harsh ingredients. Think of your skin as a delicate flower that needs to be treated with the utmost care and attention. When it comes to cleansers, ditch the harsh, stripping formulas and opt for gentle, pH-balanced cleansers that won't disrupt your skin's delicate moisture barrier. Look for cleansers that are labeled fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, or for sensitive skin. And here's a pro tip. Avoid using hot water on your face. Hot water can actually strip your skin of its natural oils and make sensitivity worse. Opt for lukewarm water instead, and gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Moisturizers are a must-have for sensitive skin, as they help to protect your skin's delicate barrier and prevent moisture loss. Look for moisturizers that are free of fragrances, dyes, and essential oils, as these ingredients can irritate sensitive skin. Instead, opt for products that contain soothing ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, or colloidal oatmeal. Exfoliation can be tricky for sensitive skin, but it's not entirely off-limits. If you choose to exfoliate, opt for gentle chemical exfoliants like lactic acid or mandelic acid, which are known for their hydrating and soothing properties. Avoid harsh scrubs or exfoliants that contain alcohol, as these can further irritate your skin. And here's a crucial tip. Always patch test new products before applying them to your entire face. This involves applying a small amount of product to a discrete area of your skin, like your inner arm or behind your ear, and waiting 24 to 48 hours to see if you experience any adverse reactions. Now let's talk about some ingredients that are known to irritate sensitive skin. Fragrances are a common culprit, so always opt for fragrance-free products whenever possible. And there you have it, guys, your ultimate guide to skincare for different skin types. Remember, the key to achieving healthy, glowing skin is to listen to your skin's unique needs and curate a routine that caters to those needs. Whether you're battling oiliness, dryness, or sensitivity, there are products and techniques out there that can help you achieve your skincare goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for even more skincare content. I'm constantly sharing new product recommendations, skincare routines, and answering your burning skincare questions. Let's connect and chat all things skincare.